came at the Ikea in Bucharest. This is a new Ikea, and the parking here is something interesting I just noticed here. There are lights. I've seen this somewhere else also. So you have for each parking spot, so this parking spot is green, and you have here also green parking spots here. They're all green, but the taken ones are red. So you have this kind of camera system that will actually look at the, you have this camera system that will actually look at the car and check if there is a car there. And it turns red, and I'm sure this communicates with the other systems, and it can even display a total amount of free parking spots. So that's pretty nice. I like that. Oh, now it shows it around here. Hope it doesn't stop me. So it's red now because it's on me. And if I move away, now the parking spot is free. And now it's green. Pretty smart system. Oh, and there is also the spots. You have here red. This one should turn red now, or it's not working. It's not working. A little bit. And for the disabled parkings, you have a purple one, a blue one. For the disabled parking spots, you have this blue light. And I'm curious if this is actually a camera and if it records if the car was using this spot, which car with plate number. So now I'm here pretending to be some car, and it's red. I think it's not recording anything. But it's a nice way to see the actual spots that are free on a lane like this. You see, these are all free there. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this interesting. This is in Bucharest, Romania. In Ikea. So here at the entrance you have disabled. That's some nice information. Okay. And all these spots, they have the blue light. This is the main entrance. There's a huge park here, for huge car park. Decathlon, Auchan, many shops, and Ikea. That's all. Let's go.